Oh, that's funny. I was going to take these shovels home the other day. So I just use these to pull up the tack strip for the carpet. Worked out good. Worked out really good. Let's just see what we can do here, huh? I gotta get one little section, so then once I get a strip going through there, then it's gonna be easier. I have a feeling. Yeah? Sir. That's my thought anyways. There. Yeah. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Gotta talk to it a little bit. Let's see here. See, I think it's going to be better going this way. So I gotta get one more strip out of here if I can. I can. Just take your time. Don't get too worked up about it. You know, once I get this little section over here, then I have a feeling it's going to go up a lot easier with not too much effort. We'll see. We shall see. We'll see. Come on, bad boy. Let's try the shovel here. See, it's nailed on the groove side, on the groove side. So if I can get that loose like this, then I can just pull it over. Yeah, it's gonna take a little effort. Anything worthwhile is gonna take some effort, right? This little section over here is loose, so I have to. Okay, you're good. You're good like that, huh? take that, tilt it. Just tilt it like that. Instead of prying straight up, you can tilt it sideways. And that does just enough to get it. Careful around the baseboards anyways. It's not really going to take me that much more time and effort to kind of save them, you know. See, once you get a full row, they're gonna go, see. I always like to use my knee pad. Hey, when you're down on the floor, you will soon realize why I'm using this knee pad. And I hate using those knee pads like carpet guys use because the straps get to you on the back side of your leg. You know, you try it, you'll see what I'm talking about. Like that. I'm going to keep going. Now let's just see how it works if instead of that, if I'm up on off the ground and run my shovel. Let's try that out. You want a sharp point so that you get underneath that tongue. Okay. Shovel as a stop so I can wedge it out of there. There. What do you think? Pretty much. If I was going a little bit faster than this, yeah, I would be braking some, but it's not really. I can see it's really not taking me that much longer to be kind of careful with this, you know? Let's try the smaller shovel. You know, if you had a longer shovel with a sharp point, you could stand up more. This one, you got to bend down too far. I'm not gonna like this one as much, I don't think. I'm bent down. I mean, I guess I could use the my floor pad. Like if I get tired with that other one, I can just be down here. pieces. But somebody will still want those, you know, for edges and stuff. Yeah. Okay. There. Right along the baseboard. And I'll keep going on that section. Can you see? That's the tricky part, getting started. And then once you get a full area, you can just gently go, gently go, gently go. This is going to be tricky because I'm going to have to kind of wedge these a little bit and get a row going down. Maybe I'll concentrate in the middle, about 4 rows or something, and then just keep gently doing what I did to start it, and do it that way. Now see, when it comes off, let's show you a piece here. That's what I'm going to have left. That's where they nailed it, right there, through the groove, or through the tongue. I thought in some other ones, it was in the groove. And so their special nailer will do it both ways. And, you know, if you don't have that nailer, it's going to be kind of tricky. And I'm thinking you might be able to rent those at a rental yard. And I don't really think I'm going to take all these staples out. You know, I don't think I'm going to do that for somebody. I just don't think. It's going to take a little effort, but you'll be able to, somebody will be able to take those out, you know? And so what I may do is just kind of bend them like that. Take the hammer. Just do that, and then I'll sell it like that. Okay, I think, is that nice? Yeah, that'll work for somebody somewhere, trust me. And I'm gonna have a lot of planking here, aren't I? Okay, I'm gonna keep going and I'll show you more in a minute. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.